Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you my strategy by placing a live trade so that you can learn as well as apply in your trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on Euro US dollar chart and the major trend is uptrend, but the minor trend, as we are trading over 5 minutes, so the minor trend is important for us and it is downtrend for now. And currently market, it is at its support level. You can see this is a support level and this kind of looks like a breakout to me, but I will not place a trade here because according to the price action, market has to reverse some level. So I will not take this as a breakout trade because I cannot see any consolidation here, and most of the time I only trade when I see consolidation when it comes to breakout trading, and in this case the price action is clear and I cannot see any kind of consolidation. But one thing I can say that we have missed an opportunity here. This is the candlestick which I am talking about, and let me explain you what could be our trade. So the trend was downtrend, the minor trend was downtrend, and market retraces and reverses from the resistance level. The resistance level is here and this candlestick was strong. The volume looks good to me and the previous candle was also quite good, not that strong, but still it's a confirmation because it is at a resistance level, and this was a confirmation, and we could have placed our retracement reversal trade here for 5 minutes, but no worries, we will find more and try to take a trade here. So as you can see, market is going downward and this breakout is kind of working here, but I guess market will retrace in the coming time, and this breakout might not work because there is no consolidation. There was no consolidation, so I guess the market will reverse and this could become a fake breakout. I am 60% sure that this will become a fake breakout, and you can see market reverses back inside this level. So now let me draw some level to place our trade. So first of all, we will draw a trend line, and okay, so we have a trend line here, and market is, you can see, is at its support level. This is also a support and it's also a support level, and let me find some more levels here. Okay, so you can see that this is also a level of support. It was previous a support level, and we also have a whole number level here which is 1.18800, which can work better or strongly as a support level because whole number levels works best when it comes to support and resistance level. And if you don't know what are these, you can find a video, a separate video about it in the playlist section. But market kind of broke it. So as you can see, market is going strongly and this breakout did work, and my prediction was wrong, but I want to play on a safer side, and that's why I didn't place my trade here because I didn't see any consolidation. So no worries, this now we don't need this trend line, so I will remove it and try to find some more levels, which I guess is here. This is a support zone, and let me draw an area. So this is an area of support. Well, I have to include this also. So now you can see this is a level of support. Market is at its support level, but you can see the market is moving very strongly, and in these cases you don't take a reversal trade because they might or work. They might work or not work, because when the momentum is strong, the market will break through even the strongest level possible. So in such cases, you have to wait for the momentum to die, because if you want to take a reversal, the market needs to get weak and give you a signal in the opposite direction, and that is only when you are going to take a trade in the reversal. When you're going against the trend, the minor trend is downtrend, and this support level is strong, but the previous candle is a pure Marubozu candle, suggesting strong volume from seller side. So what I need market to get weak, like making small candlestick with small movement, which confirms us that the sellers are now exiting the trade, and so the buyers can enter at any moment. So we have to wait for a strong signal from the buyer side. So as you can see, market is at its support level, but if you go by price action, it is moving very strongly. So we will wait for the market to get weak, and this candle is showing some positive side of bias because it is forming at the support level. But we will not place our trade with this candle. We will wait for the next two candle, and if we get a strong confirmation, a strong bullish confirmation, then we will place our trade in the opposite direction of the trend. We have a previous resistance level here also, you can see. I will remove it now. Okay, so we have a previous level of resistance here, which is going to be tested, which is, I can say that it's been tested by the market, and it is now working as a support level. And it is close to the whole number, and so I will shift to the whole number and will create an area of support level, which will be this. So now we have an area of support level, and market is at its support level, which is a good thing, and we are going to place our trade with this setup. So let's wait for the confirmation, and as you can see, market is getting weaker. You can see these candlestick pattern, they are small, and now we have a spinning top suggesting indecision in the market. So in the next two candle might be a signal, and then we are going to place our trade. So let's wait. We are not going to take a breakout here. We will only take a trade in the opposite direction, because according to the price action, now the market has to reverse for some time because to release some pressure. So I'm just waiting for a good confirmation, good bullish confirmation. If there is a breakout, I'm not going to take a trade because I cannot see any kind of consolidation, and when I am not sure, I will not take a trade. So let's wait, and as you can see, market is respecting this level, and which is actually a good thing for us. So what we need here is a good bullish confirmation, and you can see market is rejecting from that very level. It's a good sign for us because it is showing us that buyers are now coming into play. So let's wait. You can see the last three candlestick, as you can see, they shows indecision in the market. Market is not ready to go in either direction because of this support level, and according to the price action, market has to reverse for some time to release some pressure, because this is where trader wants to enter and exit their trade. So this is an area where the market can reverse. So let's wait, and what I will do, I will draw a resistance level. This is our resistance level. This is the recent level. So what I need a bullish confirmation breaking this level, and then I will place a trade and will explain you in detail. So don't worry about it. I'm just waiting to place my trade. Market is again at its support level. So market is trying to go in the downward direction because of its trend, but let's wait for some time. A good confirmation will give us a good trading opportunity. In this scenario, what we are using a strong support level, and we are taking the help of price action and candlestick analysis to place our trade. As you can see, market is trying to broke through this resistance level, so I'm waiting, and it's a good confirmation. As you can see, this is a good bullish confirmation. So let's wait. We are going to take a 4-minute trade. Why? Because we are going against the trend. When you're going with the trend, you can place a 5-minute trade, but when you're going against the trend, you will place a 4-minute trade. And I'm ready to place my trade. So I have placed a call option here, and let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail about this trading setup. So let's wait for the result. So we have won this trade, and let me explain you the trading setup again. So as you can see, first of all, let me remove all this. So we will start first with the trend, the chart analysis. So what I see in this chart, that the market was moving in the upward, means it was the major trend was uptrend. But when you are trading over smaller time frame, like I'm trading over 5 minutes, the major trend is not important. And so I looked here and find out that the minor trend is downtrend. So for me, placing my trade in the direction of the trend was my priority until and unless I found a level where I can put my money, so predicting that market will reverse. So what I thought, that I will take either a breakout or a retracement reversal trade in the direction of the trend. I also talked about this trading setup, which we kind of missed because we started this video later. So this was the retracement reversal trade. Now let me explain you about our trading setup. So what I see, that market was moving strongly in the downward direction. This price action, you can see this price goes from this level till this level without even stopping, meaning that there will be a pressure created by the market because it has stretched so long. And what I found here, that market was having, sorry, this was not the level, this was the previous level. Okay, this was the level. So what I see here, that market is at its support level, which was previously a resistance. Okay, so when market was moving in the upward direction, you can see that market respected these level, which means that these were the resistance level, and this level was not being tested since then. And this was the first time when the market was going to test this level, which was previously a resistance, becomes support. Why? Because market gets weak here. Why? Because trader who have entered here or here might have exited their trade here, because they can see that this is a strong level of support, which was previously a resistance. So I see that this was a strong level for us. The price action shows that there is a pressure in the market, and to release it, it has to reverse for some time. But I didn't place my trade right away. I waited for the market to get weak by analyzing the candlestick. You can see I analyzes this candlestick and also put a level of resistance here. The recent resistance was here. As you can see, market reverses from this level twice. So for me, if market broke through this resistance level, it is going to hold for some time in the upward direction, because it has to retrace for some times, and then when there is a breakout, it will going to hold it for some time. But ultimately it is going to go in the direction of its trend, and that's why I placed 4-minute trade only here, because sometimes market reverses for a very little period of time. So to be on a safer side, I placed a 4-minute trade here. The candlestick was there, the pattern was strong. You can see it's an engulfing pattern, or we can say a strong Marubozu candlestick. The volume was good. Previous candlestick analysis suggested that market is weak, and when you have a good confirmation from the buyer side, when you are at a support level and the recent resistance is being broken, what you can say that market will hold in the upward direction for some time. As you can see, market again broke through, because ultimately it has to go in its trend direction, which is downtrend. And that's why whenever you are going against the trend, always try to take a 4-minute trade. And that's what I did here. I put price action, candlestick analysis, support and resistance level with some candlestick pattern, and that's how I place this trade. And so you can do. I hope I have done enough to explain you this trading setup, but if you still have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will happy to answer you as soon as possible. I will meet you in the next video. That's it for today. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.